Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are discussing how you can use hit comments on TikTok to go viral and monetize by linking your YouTube videos. When I started using TikTok, I was excited to share my content and connect with other creators. But I quickly learned that not everyone was supportive or kind. I received a lot of hate comments and it was tough to deal with at first. But instead of letting the hate get to me, I decided to use it as fuel. I used the negative comments as motivation to work harder and create even better content. And it paid off. My TikTok videos started to go viral and I gained a lot of visibility for my YouTube channel. To promote my YouTube videos, I started linking to them in my TikTok content. This helped to drive traffic to my channel and I was able to grow my following on YouTube. So this is an approach that you can also approach, especially if you are a small YouTuber and are looking to get monetized. Once you have a larger following on YouTube, you are able to monetize your videos through sponsorships, advertising, and other forms of revenue. By using TikTok as a way to boost your YouTube success, you will be able to monetize your channel and earn money from your content. You can also use hate comment as inspiration for your content. What I did in my case is I created videos that addressed common hate comments and tackled controversial topics. So for example, if somebody hated on me in a video, instead of responding by text, I would respond via video and I was able to generate more engagement and go viral on TikTok. So if you are struggling with hate comments on TikTok, don't let them get you down. Use them as motivation to create even better content and consider linking your YouTube videos to boost your visibility and monetize your channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video helpful. Bye.